What if gravity suddenly disappeared for one day? Imagine waking up to a world where your feet no longer touch the ground. Cars drift upward. Oceans rise like curtains into the sky. Cities break apart as buildings float into the heavens. For one day, gravity is gone. For one day, gravity is gone. Introduction. Gravity. The invisible force that anchors us to Earth. It holds the atmosphere in place, guides the planets around the sun, and makes life possible. But what if, for just 24 hours, it suddenly vanished? How would Earth and humanity survive a day without gravity? How would Earth and humanity survive a day without gravity? The immediate chaos. In the very first seconds, people, cars, and objects would lift off the ground. Air itself, no longer bound to the planet, begins to escape into space. Without gravity holding it down, Earth's atmosphere unravels. Breathing becomes impossible. Rivers and oceans surge upward, forming massive globes of water drifting above the planet. Breathing becomes impossible. Rivers and oceans surge upward, forming massive globes of water drifting above the planet. The cosmic consequences. But the chaos doesn't stop there. The moon, no longer tethered to Earth's pull, drifts away into space. The tides vanish. Earth's orbit around the sun begins to unravel. Even the molten core, freed from pressure, could erupt violently, tearing open Earth's crust. Even the molten core, freed from pressure, could erupt violently, tearing open Earth's crust. Historical context. Scientists often compare gravity's absence to what astronauts experience in orbit, microgravity. But astronauts live in carefully controlled environments. A planet without gravity would be far more catastrophic. It would be the collapse of order itself. It would be the collapse of order itself. Cause and effect sequence. First minutes, humanity floats helplessly, gasping for air. First hours, oceans escape, ecosystems collapse. By the end of 24 hours, Earth's orbit destabilizes, and when gravity suddenly returns, everything comes crashing down, literally. Billions of tons of water, rock, and debris would rain onto the surface in a cataclysm unlike anything in history. Bigger picture. This thought experiment shows just how fragile life is, and how much we depend on forces we cannot see. Gravity may be invisible, but it is the silent architect of our survival. Conclusion. If gravity disappeared for one day, Earth would become unrecognizable, a drifting graveyard in space. So the next time you stand firm on the ground, remember this: without gravity, there is no life. And perhaps the deeper question is, what if gravity itself is not constant, but something that could one day change? Settings. Use appropriate media.